Good day everyone, welcome back to Axel Designs. In this episode of the video, I will be teaching you about how to create a Google form. And this Google form is very important and it has many benefits. Among the benefits is that you can use the Google form to examine your student, to make a test, to test your students, to make a survey, and also you can use it to even make your customers or your participants to fill the form and know what's going on in their mind and so on and so forth. So there are numerous benefits of this Google form. Let's start. But before that, don't forget, this is Axel Designs, and if you haven't subscribed earlier on, just look underneath this video and you see the button subscribe. Please just tap on it and subscribe to our channel. And if you have already done so, thumbs up to you. Thank you. I would advise us to use Chrome for our browser, and just go to your Chrome and under the search icon you type in google.com, then you search for it. After searching, it will bring a page like this. Then the next thing to do is click on this square. After clicking on it, it will bring some apps for Google. Then click on more from Google. It will bring you to this page. Then you just scroll down. Don't forget, we are going to form. Then the next is and under it we have the form. These are the forms. Just go underneath, and if you want to make it more snappy, just go to all products. So we have, these are the things we have. This is the first thing it will bring: search and explore, watch and play. Just swipe to all products, and under all products click on forms, and from there it will bring it to create beautiful forms. Go to Google Forms, then business. This is where we are going here in this video. Click on it and it will bring it to your untitled form. So you can tap on it to create your form, to title your form. Let me just say Axel Designs, like this. Axel Designs, and form description will be what? Participants form. Then here you start adding your question or any survey you want to make, but tap on it and you can edit. Let me just write, what is your name? And as you are typing, Google will be helping you to bring the options that you should add. Is it short answer? But it brought short answer for me because that's what's suitable for this question. What's your name? So I just need a short answer. But if you want to change from this list, you can take short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, file upload, linear scale, multiple, and so on and so forth. Date, time. But here I'm choosing short answer because that correlates with my question. The next thing to do is you come here to this plus to add more. And the next question I want to ask is, which place are you from? Which place are you from? And it brought short answer for me, but I can change it to a paragraph answer. To paragraph, you see, paragraph is somehow more longer than the short answer. And among the things you can do also is the required. If you press this required, it will make that section of your question required. That is, if the participants they don't want to fill it, it will Google will refer them back that you must fill this part. And you can click on these three buttons also. Clicking on it, you have the duplicate item. You want to remove the question, description, response validation, and so on and so forth. But we are not here for that in this video. Then after that one, which page are you from? You can add another one. Let me just add another three. Do you like how much have you benefited from Axel Designs? And here you see it has already brought multiple choice for me. And here you can tap on option 1. Let me just add very much. The option 2, just tap on it. Much. Just tap on this option, add option also, just tap on it. Little. Then tap on the next one, never. Those are the questions I asked. And don't forget, it depends on you, but since you're asking questions from your audience, you can put it at required because you want them to answer it. And also, even the first one, I want to put it at, where is the first one? Which place are you from? And which place are you from? Okay, what is your name is here. I want to put it at required also. What is your name? Just click here, required. And you see that what's your name? I thought I wrote it in the first as the first question, but it's at the second. So you can just put your hand on this, you elongate it and you drag it upward. So like this. Just long press on it and you drag it upward. Or you do like this. Have you seen it? So you have already exchanged between the two. What is your name and which place are you from? So I preceded this which place are you from with what's your name now. And from there you can just click on this to send your form, and you add the email to which your responses will be delivered to. I want to add Axel Designs. Axel19@gmail.com. Axel19@gmail.com. And you can include form in email, that is the responses you get. Do you want to include the form or not? So you can select that, and from there you can press on send, which is here. This send, press on it, send, and it will send your form. So this is your form. So this is it. And from there you have already sent your form. Just press here. You can press here to get your link, get preferred link. After pressing on it, so you see preferred responses, then click get link. You want to get your link in order to share for people to fill. Just press on get link. You see, this is how your form would be. Just press on your get link and it will tell you to copy your link. So press here and you copy the link. So you have already copied the link, so you can just paste it anywhere on your Facebook page, on WhatsApp, on your status, and anywhere. So that's how to create a Google form. Thank you for watching and stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe as I said earlier. Thank you.